Oh, what a beautiful day it is. Now that I got Ghost on DVD, now I can finally watch it. Don't watch it. What? Who said that? Just don't watch it. It has that scary Paramount DVD logo on there. If it's scary, trust me. Oh my goodness. It's the Ghost in the Blanket. And you're telling me that it has a scary Paramount DVD logo on there? Just watch and see for yourself. Really? Let me look at the spine. What the? Just put the movie in already in the portable DVD player and just watch it. Fine. Looks like I have to do everything around here. And plus, I haven't seen this movie before, and it's not that scary. Here, let me do that. Do that for me. Sure. Now let's watch this movie from 1990. Ooh, stars. Wait, well, what's the noise? Oh, no, 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 not this logo. No, 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 no. Don't, no, 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 no. Don't get the flying disc. No, no, no. Ah! Told you.